get 5 income streams in one funnel. Let me show you that now. So watch the video all the way to the end. First of all, you go here and it shows you all the different links you got. They call them links, but they're capture pages. But you need the link to get to the capture pages. I guess that's why they call them links. And there's lots of them. You can use whichever one you want. I use more than one depending on where I'm sending them to. And you go back into the system again and you check all the training you get. First of all, you get your weekly training, and then you get your marketing success training. Now, this is really worthwhile doing. I mean, if you want to become a better marketer, watch all these videos. And you don't have to do them all at once. You can do 1 or 2, whatever you got time for, and then you can come back and do some more, and eventually you'll get them all done. I got them all done, and I thought it was a great benefit. And you go back into the system again, and then you got your 7-step training. Now this one here, if you decide to do this program, you should do this one before you start. It tells you how to do the program. First of all, it says lesson 1, which means work on your personality. And lesson 2 shows you where and how to get traffic. Lesson 3 shows you how to do your follow-up. And lesson 4 shows you how to do your YouTube ads. And lesson 5 shows you how to do Facebook ads. And lesson 6 shows you how to block some time for this. Now, you don't need much time, but you do need some. It will not work all by itself. Don't just join and then not do anything with it, because it won't work for you. And you go and you exit the training, you go back into the system again. And if you click on there, you'll see who all is on your team. And once you click on leads, I won't do it because you're not allowed to show the emails. You get an email with each lead once you start advertising, and then you have all the information you need to follow up. And I always follow up because most people will not join on the first time they see something. So they want to ask you some questions, so I answer their questions, and then they can decide what they want to do after that. And then if you go there, you'll see who's on the leaderboard, and then you go into resources. Now, here's sample emails that you can use to do your follow-up. You can use these, or you can use your own, whatever you want. But be sure to follow up. I always do. Then you go back and you see some more resources. You go and just webinar. Look at all the banners you get to do your advertising. There's lots of them. You can use one or as many as you want. I use more than one depending on where I'm sending them to. Then you go back into in there and you can see all the images you get for social advertising. And all these things are a great benefit to help you with your advertising. So take advantage of that. And then if you go in there, it shows you how to do your Facebook posts. And if you go in there, it shows you all your own businesses and then your bonus income. So I think I pretty well covered everything here. Let's say that you'd like to get started. Now I guess you want to know the prices of all this stuff. Well, first of all, you go in here and it says get started. I'll put a link under the video so you can watch Matt do this 21-minute video explaining the whole opportunity. And with that same link, you can also join. So after that, it's up to you what you do. And if so that's step 1. And step 2 and step 3, you can put your own opportunities in there if you don't have any. And if you don't have any, you can take a look at the ones I'm using. They're both great opportunities, and they're each under $10. Then you got step 4, which is the back office and also Traffic Authority. Now, Traffic Authority has been in business for over 10 years, so you can get awfully good leads there. And Multiple Funnels has been in business for over 4 years, so these are all legitimate programs. Okay, and now I should tell you about the bonus, my bonus income. This is another place where I get leads from For $1 a day, I get 100 leads, and at the end of the month, I have 3,000 leads. And if you get somebody in under that, you make a small commission and you get another 100 leads. So by the end of the month, you could have 6,000 leads. So this is an awfully great system for that kind of money. So be sure to check that out when you get in there. Okay, I think I pretty well covered everything here now. Back into the system again. And so if you, and like I say, I'm going to put my contact information underneath the video. And if you got any questions, don't hesitate to contact me. So I think that's all I'm going to tell you for today. So thank you for listening and have a great day. Bye for now.